Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim Magic Eden token airdrop. So first off, you will need to have your Magic Eden wallet installed on your phone. Everything is done through this app right here. So once you have your wallet installed, go ahead and open it up. And here, once you open up your wallet, you can either click this claim Magic Key token right here, the notification, or if that doesn't work, you can go to your browser right here and just type in the browser mefoundation.com. But in this case, we'll just go to the notification right here. Also, make sure that you have enough Solana for the gas fees when you're claiming the token. Now, there's a lot of traffic because the token was just released 15 minutes ago, so it might take a while for the website and everything to load. Also, if your website keeps crashing, just keep refreshing and trying again. So there we go. Currently, the price of the ME token is about $11, and there we go. It finally loaded up, so it says you're eligible right here, just to be sure that you connected every wallet that interacted with the Magic Eden website. So now from here, just go ahead and click proceed right here. And again, it's just extremely slow because there's a lot of people trying to claim this airdrop at the moment. Also, guys, be careful about the scams. You need to be on this domain right here, mefoundation.com. And there we go. It finally loaded up to the claim screen. Now here, you can see how many tokens you can claim, and all you need to do is just click claim your tokens right here. Now just guys, be patient. Everything is very slow because a lot of people are trying to claim their airdrop right now. Here you can set your fee, so either standard, fast, or turbo. So standard is just a standard Solana fee. Fast means that you're willing to pay a bit more for the transaction to go through, and turbo just means that you're willing to pay even more. Also, you can place custom right here. So let's just try with the standard fee and see how it goes. Now just click connect right here. So you would need to connect your Magic Eden wallet to the claim website, and there we go. Connection has been added. All right, so the token price fell about $7.5, so we need to approve the transaction. Now you can see the gas fee. So if everything looks all right, just go ahead and click approve right here, and now let's see if it will go through. And there we go, it actually went through. So the process was a bit quicker than I expected with all the people that are currently trying to claim. And there we go, successfully claimed Magic Eden tokens. You can also stake your tokens for a longer period to enjoy bigger multipliers going forward. So let's just go ahead and click continue and see if the tokens are deposited in our wallet. So here, there is a little animation here that guides you through the token use cases. So just click the only available thing, and that is go to staking. So here we are on staking website, but I don't want to stake my Magic Eden tokens. So let's just exit this, and there we go. Here you can see the amount that you gain from the airdrop. So currently on CoinMarketCap, the price of the token is at $6.2. So in the claiming meantime, I lost about $1,000, but that's just how it is. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.